I'm dying. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Hi, Mama. I'm Jonah.
I'm Noah.
And today we're going to be doing a Play-Doh challenge, but this time we're doing it with the zombie Zity bouncies. We each have 10 minutes to make these, and we have a timer set up. And in the end, you guys choose who won. Oh, and also two little zombie guys come in a packet, so we get to choose. Okay, so here we go. I got this little doctor dude, put him here, and I have this little red hat dude.
I'm hoping for either the green, gold, or silver ones.
Oh no.
Okay, so I got this guy, and I got this guy.
And I want the gold, silver, or the glow in the dark one because stick my thumb in here and open it up. I got a scientist and a guy holding a part of a car.
Get ready to start the timer.
Oh wait, no, we have to choose who we picked out.
Oh yeah, show me which one you're gonna do.
Okay, I'm
doing
going.
this one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do this little doctor guy.
He's a
That
fat
guy's
guy with a
leaving.
fat face.
And I'm going to do the scientist guy. Okay, let's start. And
3, 2, 1, go.
Jonah! I had grabbed that one last time and then Noah slammed my hand into it.
You guys have to share it.
Okay, where's the light creamy color?
Yeah, that's way too dark.
Emma. I guess that's too dark.
Way too dark.
Well, hurry up so you can share it, but that's the one everybody needs.
Yes. Okay, take this color. Then I need this light blue thing. I need the white.
Right, take your portion of that, Jonah.
Okay, here's one for you. And one for you. Ah, Jonah, don't throw them. And there's a Gabe hair on it. There's many Gabe hairs on it. And poly hairs. Okay, mostly poly hairs though. You got a lot more blue than I did. Cool.
You only
Is
need
there
that
more
one
in the
for
container?
Barely any. Here you go. Oops. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Gonna make his hair first. Okay. Got some tools. And now we'll make his hair perfect. Indentation up there. Oh, no. That's way worse.
Oh my goodness, it's way too
Okay, there's his face. And I need little ears.
Put a tweet strip on him.
Just place that onto his head. And I need to make his hair more detailed. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Come on, no.
1 minute.
Oh no! Give him his little feet. Go. Got one little toe. Got one little foot. His toes look really ugly because they're just little lines. Go.
Gotta hurry it up. 45 seconds.
What, really? I need to make his little thing. Bow tie, bow tie, bow tie! Okay. That's
30
me.
seconds.
Arms. Go. Okay. Oh no! Oh no!
13, 12, 10, 9.
Oh my gosh, he kind of got ruined
Eight.
whenever I put on the body, but
7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no!
okay.
I did it.
I wonder if my guy can't beat it. My guy looks like a penguin. There you go. I like my guy. Okay.
Look at this guy.
Emma, yours
Emma's
looks like a
guy.
chicken.
Looks cute.
Emma's guy looks like a chicken. Look at chicken. Noah's got got a good arm right there.
No, you dare fall off arm.
His arm.
Oh, that's beautiful, Emma. Oh, nice.
Your chicken. It looked a lot better. Noah's
before
looks
I
like
put on the body.
what's that Flintstones guy? What's the main character of the Flintstones?
Barney?
I don't know.
He doesn't know the names. I don't
I don't know, but he sort of looks like him. He looks like a caveman.
Yeah, well, like a caveman.
So don't forget to comment down below of who you think won. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this Play-Doh challenge. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter and bye, YouTube. Peace out, YouTube.
See you tomorrow, YouTube.
Woo.
He just touched his hand. I'm done.